In the bustling streets of ancient Athens, a proud young man, known for his wealth and arrogance, approached the great philosopher Socrates. He stood tall and asked, "Old man, I wish to be wise. Show me the path." Socrates looked at him, his gaze calm and penetrating. After a long, uncomfortable silence, he simply said, "Meet me at the river tomorrow at dawn." The next morning, the impatient young man found Socrates waiting by the water's edge. Without a word, the old philosopher waded into the river until the water was at his waist, motioning for the man to follow. Confused but determined, the young man joined him. "What is it you want?" Socrates asked, his voice even. "Wisdom," the young man replied confidently. "I told you yesterday." In a flash, Socrates' hands, surprisingly strong, shot out and grabbed the young man, plunging his head beneath the cold water. Panic flared in the man's chest. After several seconds, Socrates pulled him up, sputtering. "What do you want?" demanding, Socrates asked again. Angry and gasping, the man shouted, "Wisdom!" Socrates shoved his head back under the surface, holding him down longer this time. The world became a blur of green water and silent pressure. The man's lungs burned. He struggled violently, his limbs flailing, but Socrates' grip was like iron. Finally, just as black spots began to dance in his vision, Socrates pulled him up once more. "What do you want?" Socrates demanded. This time, the young man didn't say wisdom. He didn't think of knowledge or philosophy. With a raw, desperate, he cried out one word: "Air." Socrates let him go. As the young man stumbled to the bank, coughing and shivering, Socrates spoke. "When you want wisdom as badly as you just wanted air, then you shall find it." The lesson from this encounter is a timeless truth about human desire. A casual interest will not get you through hardship. A fleeting wish will not fuel you through the difficult work. Whether you seek knowledge, success, health, or a new life, you must ask yourself, how badly do you want it? Many of us say we want things, but we want them politely. We want them when it's convenient. True transformation begins when your goal is no longer a want, but a need. It must become the air you breathe. When your desire for it is so absolute that it drowns out all other distractions,